Hello and thanks for tuning in once again. This video is going to be a short overview of a 8x48 plank tile installation over Dietrich heat, TB, which is over a concrete slab. TB standing for the thermal break. It's going to give a quick overview of how I like to do the stagger, which I've done in previous videos, but this will give you more of a closer look at how I do it and try to explain it a little bit better, and otherwise the rest will be a time lapse of the install. Thanks for tuning in once again, and please subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. Alrighty? Thanks. Okay, now here's the offset. What I like to do is split the tile in 50% and then split that 50% of the tile in half. So you got a full tile 3/4, half the tile and quarter. Then when you start your next row, you start off with that quarter. And you repeat that pattern throughout the floor. Now this room is square, so I basically come off of one wall with that same stagger and just keep going across the whole way. Now if the room has a lot of ins and outs, you want to make sure that you measure and keep that stagger going throughout each section of the house. So I hope this video helps. Like I said, if you have any questions at all, leave me a comment or send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.